Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you could block websites from Google Chrome? In this video, I'll walk you through how to block websites from Chrome. To do that, simply open up Google Chrome. Then you have to go to the Chrome Web Store. Over here, you have to search block site. I just downloaded the highest rated one. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension, and here you can see it is getting downloaded and adding to Chrome. Now you can see the website blocker is up and running. So if I want to just search for a site to block, let's say I want to block Instagram. I will add that item. You can now see it has been added to my blocked sites table. If I search now for Instagram and try to open it up, you can see it says, "This site is blocked, so you can focus on your work." This is a very essential tool for workplaces, or if you are suffering from social media addiction. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.